Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Word could not start. Last time safe mode could be helped to trouble shoot the problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your start menu and type regedit. Open a registry editor. After opening a registry editor, first of all open a H key current user and expand it. After doing this step, select a software and expand it. Software and expand it. After doing this step, select a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this step, find out a Office. Now here is the Office and expand it. After doing this step, now if you are using a Microsoft Office 2003, then you can open a 11.0. If you are using a 2007 version, then you can open a 12.0. If you are using a 2010, then you can open a 14.0. If you are using a Office 2013, then open a 15.0. If you are using a 365 or a 2019 or 2016, then open 6.0. So I am using a Office 2007 now, so I am open a 12.0 and expand it. After doing this step, select a common and expand it. After doing this step, and data, select a open find. If open find folder not show in your window, then right click in a common and create a new key with the name of open find. So in my case, select a open find and go to your right click new and select a deworld 32-bit value. Select it and set a name is E is a capital enable, S is a capital shell, D is a capital data. So after that, and C is a capital caching. After doing this step, double click, open it and set a value data is, select a right click and click on a modify and select a value data is 1 and press OK. After doing this step, close the registry editor and restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your search box and type a control panel. Go to your control panel, go to your program, uninstall a program. After doing this step, select a Microsoft Word and click on a change, click on a repair and click on a continue button. After doing this step, it's required of a few minutes to repairing Microsoft. After doing this step, close it and make sure that reboot your system. So restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.